Vista is a very small, very low-income town, so we have a lot of issues with kids who are coming in with very little English language experience.
Monte Vista itself and many of the surrounding areas are pretty high poverty. 4 generations basically of migrant workers who first came here, and now they've been here and established themselves.
We've been using Lindamood-Bell in small group settings for 3 years, and we've been using it in our whole group setting and as a Tier 1 for 2 years. And the whole valley pretty much was using it in their special ed rooms with their special ed students. We also, from the very beginning, used it in our Title I reading rooms as well. We saw the success even before we saw the data at the end of the first year. We could see the students' success just in their everyday actions. And so we said, why not, with our population, with the students that we have being behind when they get to us typically, why not implement this school-wide?
When young children come in and we place them on individualized education plans, for parents it's nerve-wracking for them, and they're like, oh, they're never going to get this. It's a scary thing for the kids and for the parents. And so to be able to bring parents back in and say, look at this, look at what they've done. And it helps their own self-esteem, it helps them, adapt in the classroom better, and it helps parents just relax and feel like, okay, they're going to get there, they're going to get this.
It was crazy because this year all of a sudden the kids were making these connections and doing this really intense higher order thinking that I've never gotten them to be able to do before. And I really do think that was because of the visualizing and verbalizing skills that they've learned.
Teachers will be like, this kiddo likes reading now. They used to dread it, and now they love to pick up the book and read whatever they're interested in, and it's powerful. It's also powerful when you're in meetings like IEP meetings, meeting with parents, and you're able to show them the growth. And we've had parents literally crying that they're so happy that their kids have made so much growth.
Part of what I see happening and will continue to do is provide the ongoing support. It is a part of who we are, just as much as capturing kids' hearts is a part of who we are. It's how we will address our reading deficits.